What has Bengaluru got in Karnataka Budget 2026-27? In a speech spanning 217 minutes, CM Siddaramaiah on March 6th presented the Karnataka budget with a total outlay of Rs 4,48,004 crores. With an aim to make Bengaluru the world's most livable city, the budget has announced several new projects as well as additional grants for existing projects. So, what has the IT city received? Let's get into it. 7,000 crore annual grant for the development of Bengaluru will continue for the next financial year as well. Additionally, 1,255 crore have been earmarked for ward road and infrastructure development across 5 city corporations. A new revised Master Plan 2041 will be implemented by the end of 2027. Additionally, a comprehensive mobility plan will also be prepared within 6 months. The CM's budget has several projects to expand connectivity and help decongest traffic in Bengaluru city. This includes construction of an intermediate ring road covering Nelmangla, Tavarekere, Biddi. Construction of 40-kilometer north-south and east-west tunnel road at an estimated cost of 40,000 crore rupees. Rupees 450 crore project to develop Silk Board KR stretch of the outer ring road into a global standard corridor. A short tunnel road and an elevated road from Hebbal Junction to Mekri Circle at a cost of 2,250 crore rupees. The city will also see over 50 kilometer of roads white-topped at an estimated cost of 3,000 crore rupees in the next 3 years. A 9-kilometer pedestrian walkway along the metro viaduct on the outer ring road, which will be built at a cost of 160 crore rupees with the support from ORR Companies Association. The budget also proposes to complete the expansion of 41 kilometers of Namma metro line during the next year. Beautification of 175 junctions, upgradation of 500-kilometer footpaths, and the construction of 100 skywalks. The budget also speaks of 100 Miyawaki parks to be developed across the city by planting native species to create natural green spaces. There's also the Kaveri Phase 6 project to supply an additional 6 TMC of water to the city at Rs 6,939 crores. The budget speaks of land acquisition for construction of 73-kilometer long Bengaluru Business Corridor Phase 1, which will be completed within 4 years. The budget has also proposed the development of a second airport in Bengaluru to help decongest Kempegowda International Airport. The KHP Surya Krida Grama, an 80,000 seating capacity cricket stadium and an international standard sports complex, has been proposed in Anekal Taluk of Bengaluru Urban District. These are some of the projects and proposals that have been announced for the city. What do you think of them? Do let us know in the comments below.